Today in this video, we will talk about how to cancel Biohm supplement subscriptions. So all official methods and information you can see on your screen. So let's get started. All Biohm subscriptions may be cancelled, modified at any time by logging into your Biohm account clicking through the subscription link. Here you will find each of your active subscriptions and can modify or cancel them at your own will. Please note that an account is not required to place an order. If you do not create an account, all subscribers receive a reminder email 3 days before each renewal notifying you that your active subscription is about to trigger. This email also provides a link directly to your subscription portal to manage each subscription. Cancellations modifications must be made before 11:59 p.m. EST the day before your renewal order processes. Once your order processes, it cannot be cancelled or modified. If you modify your subscription after the order has processed, your cancellation modification will take effect after that ship date. And you are done. So by using this method, you can easily cancel Biohm supplement subscriptions. Hopefully this video will helpful. If you have any questions, please make a comment. I will reply you soon. Thanks for watching this video.